In this video, I'll show you how to build a website with Wix. First, go to wix.com and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one and complete the registration process. Next, click Create New Site. Wix will ask what type of website you want to build, such as a business website, online store, portfolio, blog, or another type of site. Choose the option that best fits your needs. After that, select a website template or let Wix generate a site for you using its AI website builder. Once your website is created, you'll be taken to the Wix editor. Now, customize your website by editing the text, images, colors, and layout. Click on any element to make changes and personalize the site to match your brand or project. Next, add new sections and pages as needed. You can create pages such as Home, About, Services, Contact, or any other pages that are important for your website. After that, click Add Elements to insert features like buttons, image galleries, contact forms, videos, maps, and social media links. Now, review your website on both desktop and mobile views to make sure everything looks professional and easy to navigate. Next, click Settings and update important details such as your website name, SEO settings, and contact information. Once you're happy with the design, click Publish to make your website live on the internet. Finally, connect a custom domain if you have one and continue updating your site as your business or project grows. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build a website with Wix. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.